Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to discuss your project that you're going to be working on here about systems of equations. If you look, you should see the directions here in the folder that you're in. And it'll kind of walk you through a little bit about what the expectation is. But basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be spending a couple days here reviewing systems of equations that you have already done or ways that you already know how to solve a system, okay? So basically what I want you to do is create me a Google Slides that reviews and explains how to solve a system of equations a couple different ways. I want you to solve a system using substitution, a system using elimination, and a system by using graphing. Okay, so what happens when I have linear equations and I want to solve a system using those methods. I also want you to give an example of each of those methods. So show us, okay, here's an example of me doing it in addition to your explanation. I want you to also show me an example of a system with no solutions, a system with infinite solutions, and then what a word problem would look like that you go through and you solve, okay? Everything's going to be in Google Slides. You can take pictures of your work if you want to instead of typing it out, but all your work needs to be worked out so you can show me, okay, here's how you do this, and walk through it, okay? Now, the date here at the bottom is incorrect. I was trying to change this on Schoology, but it wasn't letting me. It is going to be due on Wednesday of this week, okay? So ignore this date. It is going to be due on Wednesday, okay? Now, if you need some help in terms of remembering, hey, I don't remember how to do all these different systems. I need some help kind of looking through this. That's where your book can help you. So if you have your book on page 448, that's where chapter 6 starts, okay? And 6.1 is all about systems of equations, okay? You can see, if you go right through that section, you'll see substitution. You can skip the nonlinear. We're not doing nonlinear, just linear, but you'll see substitution. You'll see elimination starting at 6.2 on page 459. You'll see elimination. You'll see graphing also in that section. It'll kind of walk you through almost all the things that I'm asking you for. So you can kind of go back in there to kind of review. You also can go back and look at stuff you did last year in Algebra 1. This is all Algebra 1 content, so you can go back and look there. Basically, any resource you want to use to kind of refresh yourself, and then create this presentation for me, okay? So you have a couple different things. You have 3 different main ideas, and then some of these other little things that you need to have in there, and make sure that you meet all of them. Please make sure that all of your problems that you show me are fully worked out and that you have full explanations for how to do them. Okay, I think I even say here, make sure that you're giving me a good explanation and that things are worked out. You don't want to write, hey, here's elimination, here's how you do it. You need to say, hey, here are the steps for elimination. You do this, then you do this, you do this, and here's what you're looking for, and here's things to look out for. Don't just say, hey, elimination, it's cool. Right? I want some good explanations there, okay? And again, this will be due on Wednesday. If you have questions, please feel free to email me. I hope you guys have a nice day.